In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to check your Roblox email on Xbox. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. As you can see, I'm recording this video on my computer, and this is because if you were to open up Roblox on your Xbox and go to your account page, you will find that there is nothing related to your email in that page. That page only displays the current link that your Xbox account has to your Roblox account. In order to properly check and verify your email on Roblox, what you have to do is go to the Roblox website at www.roblox.com, which means that I recommend doing this on a web browser in your computer or your phone, but if you want to follow this on your Xbox, you need to use the web browser in Xbox itself. After going to the Roblox website, through any web browser and log into your account, just click the cogwheel at the top right corner of the screen and go into the settings page. And in here, you would be able to verify and also see your email. As you can see, I don't have one linked, but this is why it would be displayed. If you are having trouble recovering a lost email or an email that you don't have access to anymore, you need to go to help.roblox.com, open up a random article, scroll down and then click Need More Help, Contact Support here. And in this Contact Us page, you would be able to describe your problem in order to properly check your email by contacting the Roblox support. I hope I was able to help you on how to check your email on Roblox on Xbox One. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.